Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is about arrays or lists in Python and some operations and some functions that we are going to learn about these lists. And these functions are very useful whenever you deal with lists in Python. So let's get started and work with them. Suppose now that we have an array or a list. I'm going to call them lists because in Python they are known for lists, not arrays. But they are the same. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to call them lists. So suppose that we have a list here that contains some random countries in United States, United Kingdom, and New Zealand, Spain, and South Africa. And I'm going to show you a few important functions. The first function that I'm going to show you is called append. So you just call the function append and you pass whatever you want to add. And what append does is that it adds an element at the end of the list. So for example, if I pass at the end of the list something like some random country, for example Greece, and save and run, and print the list to the log, and save and run. And as you can see, at the end of the array, at the end of the list, Greece has been added. And let's now look to another function. Another function is called clear, which is going to remove everything from the array. So for example, if I call clear and save and run, as you can see, nothing has been printed out because now the array is empty. Everything has been deleted. Let's try another function. Another function is called copy, which returns a copy of the list. So if I just copy and store the result inside another list called list1 equals list.copy, and I print list1, as you can see, now list1 equals to to the original list because it has been copied. List1 has been copied to list has been copied to list1. Another function is called count, which actually returns the number of elements with the specified value. So if I call count and I store the value, the result in value equals to this, and then print the value, is that it checks how many times an element has been repeated. So for example, if I pass Spain, and store the value in value and save and run, as you can see, it returns 1 because Spain has been repeated only once in this array. Another function is called index, which returns the index of the first element with the specified value. So if I change count to index and save and run, as you can see, it returns 3 because the position of Spain is 3. The index of Spain is 3 because it starts with the United States 0, United Kingdom 1, New Zealand 2, Spain 3. Another function is called insert, which is going to insert a value at a specified index. So for example, if I use insert and I pass 1, I want to add Spain again at the beginning of the array, I would pass 0 and Spain and save and print out the list again. As you can see, Spain has been added to at the beginning of the array or the list again. Another function called pop, which removes the element at a specified position. So for example, if I want to remove the United States from this list, I would just use pop and pass 0 and save and run. As you can see, the United States has been removed from this list. And a final method that I'm going to show you, or function that I'm going to show you today, is called remove, which removes first item with the specified value. So for example, if I want to remove Spain, I would just use remove and pass Spain, and save and run. As you can see, Spain has been removed from this list. Finally, a method called sort, which is going to sort the list. Let's use it. Sort and save and run. The list has been alphabetically sorted. So it now starts with New Zealand, and then South Africa, Spain, United Kingdom, and then the United States. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, share, like, and subscribe. And by the way, guys, I have created a free ebook on how to make money coding. You can download it in the description below, the link in the description below. You can download it immediately. And also, I have created a few courses in Python and other programming languages if you really want to take your skills further and become a professional programmer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.